Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some beautiful ways to draw a flower. First we'll be making a lotus. Draw the lines like this on the top of the flower. Now draw its stem and the leaf like this. And then color it using green and pink color and it's ready. Next, draw a circle like this and draw the lines like this on the sides and then round the like this. Now draw the lines inside it and make its stems and leaves as shown in the video. Color it and it's ready. Next, we'll be making different types of trees like this. Draw the branches and then draw the different lines to make the trees. Draw the spiral lines, zigzag lines or the cloud shape lines like this. Make the trees very carefully and your cute trees are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, put the dots using different colors like this. Now using an earbud, spread it from the sides, give the lines like this and your beautiful feather is ready. I hope you liked it. You can use more colors if you want. Next, draw the spiral lines like this to make a rose. Now draw a heart shape, make the lines on the sides, draw the stems and leaves to make the flower. Now using red and green color, we will color it and your rose will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, draw a circle like this and draw the lines on the sides. Now join them by making a semicircular shape. Now put the lines in the between, draw its stems and leaves, color it using yellow color and your flower is ready. Next, draw a shape like this using pink color marker. Now draw the lines on the sides and join them in the between like this. So here we'll be making a flower. Color it like this and then make its stems and leaves. Put the yellow color in the between and your flower is ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to give the shades as we are giving. Now make the thread on the sides and it's ready. Next, we will draw the lines like this and then join it like this. Now draw the stems and leaves, color it, make few more flowers if you want like this. Here we are showing you different types of flowers. Draw the lines, make a sunflower like this, color it if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next, we'll be making the lines, join the lines on the sides, make the stems and leaves and it's ready. Next, fourth one we'll be drawing the lines like this, make a semi or a circular lines like this, draw the stems and leaves and it's ready. Next, we will draw the branches as shown in the video or the stems. Now draw these circular shapes to make the watermelons. Now draw the lines inside it, color it using green color and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.